If you need to record your screen, Pixtel offers Video Capture feature. You can choose from several options to customize your screen recording. For users with multiple screens, recording a single display is supported. You can also capture a specific application window, and you can easily select and record any part of your screen. Here, I'm selecting the region. Simply drag to select the area you want to record. Pixtel also offers additional recording options using a variety of built-in presets. Since I'm recording a video, I'll choose the movie preset. Based on your selection, Pixtel automatically adjusts the audio, camera, and cursor settings. To add your webcam to the recording, simply click the webcam icon. It offers several shapes to customize your webcam. Since I'm recording a video, I've chosen to turn off the webcam. You can also set recording time limit. To start or pause the recording, just click the record button. A timer will appear on screen. If you need to take screenshots while recording, simply click the camera icon. If you want to stop recording, click the Finish button. Your recording and any screenshots will open in a new Pixtel tab. Here you can play the video using the Pixtel Media Player. By default, the first screenshot is used as the video thumbnail. You can switch between tabs using these icons. To share your media files, use the Export option in the home bar. Here you directly save files to your local folders. To upload your video to social media, Pixtel offers Share option with platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. Just select your preferred platform, add your account, and grant the needed permissions to Pixtel. Once done, your account will be connected, and your video will be ready to upload. Click Upload to start sending your video to YouTube. When the upload finishes, you'll see a confirmation message. For more control over your recordings, go to User Preferences. In Capture Settings, you'll find options for video recording. Advanced users can adjust the frame rate, sound playback, and recording devices. You can also set up and configure your webcam here. You can connect an external webcam or adjust your webcam's position. Cursor effects can be enabled to highlight the cursor. For Pixtel licensed users, you can add a logo overlay. You can add text or image watermarks to your video recordings. With Pixtel, you can record your screen, export media files to your chosen location, and share on any social media applications, all from single platform. Just Pixtel it. It isn't just a tool, it's Pixtel.